An idea came up to him while he was in prison and made him a millionaire businessman. True story. The convicted felon Clyde looked at the prison TV screen that was showing the qualifiers of a golf match, which suddenly was interrupted by a heavy rain, and started wondering how can golfers enjoy their favorite sport despite the difficult weather. That was the moment of birth and early invention of table tennis, known as ping pong as well, a merger of golf and billiards, a table-based golf game similar to the one in which you play billiards, with prices varying from $150 to $700. Omar Clyde was about 35 years old when he came up with this idea in 1999. He then spent his time in prison working on developing designs and drawing imaginations for his new game. Once he got out of prison after serving his 3-year sentence, he went to a store that sells tools and equipment in order to buy stuff he needed to bring his idea to life, and that costed him around $200 at the time. He then spent nights working on the primary prototype of his future revolutionary game. Now he's done building the first prototype, and to make sure people would enjoy this new game, he invited some of the children in his neighborhood and asked them to try this invention. And after he'd seen how they admired the game, Clyde got really excited and went to sports and entertainment clubs and started offering it to the owners. But new ideas always need a great effort and advertisement for people to finally embrace it. However, Clyde did not despair at all. The thing that made one of the shop owners who rejected his idea suggest that he might have tried and go to the American seasonal billiard game show in Las Vegas, and this is exactly what Clyde did in July of 2003. The fate finally gave a smile to our man, as his idea won the admiration of billiard tables manufacturer, which Clyde is still contracting with till today. The game began to get viral and people started to get used to it. After many TV stations reported on the new game, which made it gain its wide resonance, and the demand for the new game reached its spike. Clyde expects to exceed $5 million in sales based on 2005 only, especially after adding many different options that would allow everyone to give ping pong a try without having to worry about the costs. This is not the end of Clyde's ambition. He's currently giving motivational lectures in which he tells his story and how he went from a young man who broke the law and received an 11-year sentence to an icon successful businessman. People die and ideas live.